Outstanding design defines the 2013 BMW 128. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.